Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are taking it back old school because today's video is going to be a what's in my bag, if you haven't already guessed by the title. But this is not any ordinary what's in my bag, it's actually a what's in my work bag, because I've done loads of what's in my bags throughout my channel, throughout the years that I've even been on YouTube, and all of them, I think actually every single one of them is just like a normal what's in my bag. But today I thought I'd show you what's in my work bag, because this is a bag that I take to work every day. I work three days a week, from 9 till 3. So 6 hours a day, 3 times a week. So yeah, you know, you have to take quite a lot. And I also work with children, if you didn't already know, as well. But before we get started, this video may or may not be long. So I've just grabbed myself a nice hot chocolate, which I'm going to be sipping on throughout the video because I don't want it to get cold. And yes, I do have whipped cream on the top. And it is absolutely amazing. But yeah, definitely go and subscribe if you haven't already. I have, before I get onto this video again, you know, I've got to get things out there. I've got to tell you all my important messages. If you haven't already seen, we have upgraded this year. You know, 2018 was all about the upgrades. We've got a new channel name, a new channel banner, a new intro, a new Instagram name, and a new end card or end slate, whatever you want to call it. I just wanted to change, and I feel like the name now, Jorddylawrenxe, is a lot more simplistic and true, because my name is Jordan and then my middle name is Lacey. I didn't want to really use my last name because it is really long, and my other name, it just didn't make sense to everybody sometimes, because it was like, it was your last name but it wasn't your last name because it had an X instead of a C. So it just annoyed me, so I scrapped it and I changed absolutely everything around. My new Instagram is on the screen now, and it's obviously linked down below in the description box as well. So yeah, I just thought I would change things up. So if you are liking this new look on my channel and you definitely like my new intro, I know it's the same as my previous one, but this one is just more upgraded with a newer song and new writing and obviously a new name. So yeah, if you like all of the things that I upgraded, definitely go and like this video, and also give me a new subscriber. If you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video, go and click that subscribe button, because we are nearly at 200 subscribers. Let's just check what we are at currently. So we are currently at 193 subscribers, and I'm thinking, if you would like, if we can get to 200 subscribers, I'm going to do a Q&A video for you guys, but obviously I'm going to need your input. So if you would like to leave me some comments down below, they can be absolutely anything about you, about me, about the world, absolutely anything that you would like to know. And yeah, hopefully I can get my channel growing, because it's going very slowly, but also I just kind of want to talk to you guys through a Q&A. So yeah, get asking your questions. You can ask them to me on Instagram, on Twitter, on Snapchat. If you have me on all 3 social medias, then excellent, well done, you can ask me on there, but you can also ask me in the comments down below. So yeah, without further ado, we are going to get into the video. So this is the bag that I take to work. This is a new bag. I actually got this Monday. You're watching this probably on a Thursday. But yeah, so I got this on Monday and I got it from Primark, and it was £10, I believe. Now, the reason that I actually got this bag is because I'm going to Amsterdam, if you haven't already known. If you didn't already know, I'm going to Amsterdam on the February half term, and yes, I am going to be vlogging it, so keep your eye out for that. But yeah, I got this for Amsterdam because I just wanted a small bag that I can take onto the plane with me, that I can have around my back and just know that it's going to have enough room for me to fit all of my stuff in. So that's what I got. It is a rucksack. Yeah, it does have long straps and a little handle, and then obviously it's all gold hardware. These pockets are fake, which to be honest I don't really like on a bag, but you know, I think it just makes it look a bit nicer. And then on the zip, this didn't actually come with the bag. I had it on my old bag, and this is from Primark again. It was in the sale for £1, and I just put it on my bag because I think it makes the bag look a lot more expensive than what it was. And yeah, that's it really. So I'm just going to dive in. So it's very roomy, as you can see. There's a lot of stuff in there, and you can fit a lot more in here. I actually have my lunchbox, which is why it looks really full, but it's not. It's just because my lunchbox is quite big that takes up most of the space. So the first thing that I've got is my Apple headphones. I probably would die if I didn't have these, because I just love listening to music and Spotify and everything like that. I will see if I can leave my Spotify playlist down below for you guys, because I have a lot of songs. I think I have about 500 songs. So yeah, I have Apple headphones. I then have my keys in my bag, which obviously is a statement in everybody's bags probably. You always need keys. So I just have this really old pom-pom, which I think is either from Primark or New Look, one of the two. I have a picture of me and my boyfriend when we was on holiday in Greece. I then have just a J, which was from Primark. This is quite expensive. I think it's about £2 maybe. I know that's not expensive, but I think for a keyring it is. I then have this thing, which is actually a bookmark, but my manager gave it to me, so I just thought I'd put it on my keys. I then have a little heart, which I got in a Christmas cracker. I then have a dream catcher, which I'm not very fond of these, but I think on your keys they're okay, but above my bed I actually have nightmares, so you know. And then the last keyring I have is just this keyring from Lanzarote, which my best friend got me, and that's everything on my keys. And then I just have the standard keys. I then have a pack of chewing gum, which doesn't have a lot left. These are the extra large bags, which I think you can get in Poundland, I'm pretty sure. And this is the Wiggly's Extra Peppermint Flavoured. I then have my water bottle. I always try and take a water bottle to work with me, because, you know, I just try and drink more water throughout the day, because when I'm at home I drink absolutely no water. So I feel like when I'm at work, if I take a water bottle, then I will drink it. And also it's better to look, not role modelly, but because we try and encourage the children to drink either milk or water, I feel like if you're drinking it as an adult, then children will copy you. So that's why I have water, and these are 50 centilitres, but I don't know what 50 centilitres is. So if that's not a litre, but at least I'm still getting a bottle of water a day. Then, which takes up most of my lunch, which takes up most of my bag, is my lunch box. This is a lunch box just from Poundland, so nothing special. It is clean, but I always carry it in a plastic bag, just because I don't want my bag to smell of my food and everything like that. So I have one of them. I then have my Oyster card holder, my bank card holder, my provisional license holder, and my gift card holder, because, you know, it holds all four of them things. This is a Jack Wills card holder. I actually got this from my boyfriend's cousin and his girlfriend for Christmas, and you would have seen this in my what I got for Christmas video, so yes, I got that. I've then got a hairbrush in here. I never used to take one of these to work, but I'm the type of person that will either have my hair down or have my hair up, and then sometimes I want to take it down, I want to put it up, blah blah blah, you know, you get the gist, and I can only do that with a hairbrush. So yeah, mine is a like fake tangle teaser, but it still does the trick of a normal tangle teaser. I then have my planner in here. This is kind of like my work planner, my college planner, my day-to-day planner all in one, because I write my work hours, I write my college days, my paydays, my half terms, any important things I'm doing. I always write it in this one. I do have a small one, and then I have a bigger one upstairs in my bedroom, but this is one that I carry to work with me, and then I obviously have my big one at home. So yeah, I got this, and this I think was from Poundland. I could be wrong, it might be from something else, it could be from The Works. Yeah, The Works is from The Works. Then I have my work ID. I have to hold it like this because it says where I work on it. but obviously you can see this says staff. So yeah, I just have my little work ID, and this is my picture. I'm gonna try really hard, like this is my picture. I don't mind you seeing my name because that's my name, but yeah, that is what I look like. I look nice in that picture. I wish I had that picture everywhere at work, but I don't. So yeah, I have to carry that around with me because that is what we wear, so parents know our names and stuff like that. I then have a Being by Sanctuary Spa Cloudberry and Lynch Blossom Body Mist. My cousin and her boyfriend got me this for Christmas. It came in a gift set, and you would have seen it in my what I got for Christmas video. So yeah, I just really like this, and it smells amazing. So I always carry that around with me because I hate smelling. I just hate it. And it's... yeah, I thought my door went. It didn't. I just hate smelling dirty. I then have my purse, which I don't know where this is from. Is it from New Look? It's from Mataland, but the purse is from Mataland, and it's just this little black purse. I do have an actual like Ted Baker purse which I use if I've got a much bigger bag, but when I'm at work I hardly ever carry cash, so I have a small one, and at the moment I just have 5p's in there, you know, just standard. So yeah, I've got that. Then I've got a nail file because obviously I've got fake nails on or acrylic nails, and you know, when you work with children they can break, so I always try and carry a nail file with me so that I can file the sharp bits down, because I do not want to be hurting someone, poking them in the eyeballs and stuff like that. I then have a hand cream in here. This is the Nivea Express Hydration hand cream. My manager gave this to me again because she didn't want it and she doesn't like the, I was about to say consistency, but it's not, is it? Like the texture of it. So I've got it, and I really do love Nivea hand cream. I think it works amazingly. It's amazingly even a word. Then at the bottom of my bag I have some paracetamol, you know, just for obvious reasons, if you get headaches or like period pains or something like that. I never really take paracetamol unless I've got a really bad migraine or anything, but it's always good to carry paracetamol for other people as well, so I have that. I then have these Kleenex Shine Absorbing Sheets because I am one to get really oily during the day. I probably am now, I don't know, I haven't checked my makeup at all. So I have these. I don't actually know where I got these from, and I've had them for ages. And then in the back I just have a couple of plasters, and the reason I keep them in there is because I don't want them like wandering about at the bottom of my bag. I then have a Carmex lip balm, or lip moisturising balm, whatever you want to call it. This is amazing. It works wonders in the winter, especially for me because I get chapped lips all throughout winter. So I have that in there. We are getting to the bottom. Then I have this notebook. I'm not going to show you what's in it because it's all work related, but I just write like if I've got any meetings with parents or if I'm going on any training courses. I write absolutely everything in here. I have, when I went to my autism course, I've got information on that. I've got information about first aid. I've got information about child protection. I've got like some coursework bits in here. So this is all work related stuff, and I just try and keep it in one folder so that I'm not, or one notebook so that I'm not having to like rummage around. So yeah, everything is in that folder there, and I'm not sure where I got this from, and the reason it's like flopping about is because I had a much smaller bag than that before, so I used to just fold it and fit it in, but you know, I'm talking too much now. And then the last thing that I have in here, is it the last thing? Yeah, the last thing I have is this folder, which is obviously a lot bigger than the notebook I just showed you, but this was from Tesco's and it was £1.50, and it's just a document file, and in here I just put all of my like loose papers and stuff. Like I've got some college stuff in there, and then just some like observation sheets, and I keep it in this because although I'm folding it, it's not getting ruined in my bag. So that is absolutely everything in my bag. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please keep in mind about what I said at the beginning of the video with the question and answers if I get 200 subscribers. And yeah, if you liked it, definitely go and leave me a like. If you're new to my channel, definitely go and remember to subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified when I upload more videos, because I'm kind of tweaking things at the moment and just uploading whenever, but I'm thinking I might start uploading Thursdays at maybe 1 PM. So yeah, I'm looking into it, but at the moment I'm just kind of uploading when and where, because I don't want to fit an actual schedule with you guys and then not upload. So at the moment I'm uploading when and where, but we are tweaking it and we are going to eventually have an uploading schedule. But yeah, for now guys, I'm going to leave you with this nice little video, and I hope you guys remember to subscribe if you're not, and to come back and watch my next video if you are. So yeah, bye guys!